Good morning, students. This is the continuity of the part 3 of our biology video. Let us go through. In the last video, we started the strategies of reproductive health. The strategies are nothing but the methods or the steps which we are going to implement to overcome the problems of the reproductive health, students. So let us go through. So we have studied the first two. The first one is nothing but the family planning, and the second one is nothing but the introduction of sex education in the schools. We have finished. Okay, so let us go through the next one, that is called as educating people of a marriageable age group. So what do you mean by this, students? Already it is having the meaning of the method itself only. Educating people that we are now, who we are all going to get educated, we are the one. Okay, so that is the educating people of a marriageable age group. So educated people has to get married. Is that the meaning? No, obviously it is not the meaning. That is a educating. So regarding to the sexual reproduction, okay, that is a, I mean to say that reproductive health, they have to be gain the knowledge. Okay, and apart from that, educated peoples also, the meaning will be going to come over here. Let us go through. The educate the marriageable age group of a creator to create the awareness about the birth control options, prenatal and postnatal care. So taking care, pre means before, that is a post means after, is it not? So care and social responsibilities of building a healthy family, avoiding unprotected sex. Students, unprotected, where the necessary, how the caring has to be taken place during the intercourse, that is the main thing, that is called as the unprotected sex. Okay, that is during the copulation also, where we can say. So I'll repeat: the educated marriageable age group, educated marriageable age group. Okay, so to create the awareness, so why they are, their intention that only the educated, that too marriageable age group, they are stressing the word called as a marriageable age group, not just the maturity attained immediately they can do the marriages. That is one of the problem, that is the early marriages we have discussed in the problems, is it or not? So that is the awareness about the birth, and that is a control option, prenatal and postnatal care. So these are the case, and social responsibilities, some of the social responsibilities, that is of building a healthy family, that is to build a healthy family, and avoiding unprotected sex. Okay, so these are the things that under the method, the educating people of a marriageable age group is going to come. So next one, that is adolescence and related changes. What do you mean by adolescence? Adolescence is nothing but the you peoples, students, you are the one, that is a adolescence, that is a adult age, where we can say also the adolescence and related changes. So proper information to the youngsters about the reproductive organ, adolescence and related changes, adolescence and related changes with safe and hygienic sexual practice, and sexual transmitted diseases like AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea. Students, understand this. Adolescence are the related changes is nothing but you are the peoples are going to attain the maturity of the sex organs. Okay, so proper information to the youngsters about the reproductive organ. Okay, proper information you need to understand properly. Okay, adolescence and related, not only you, belongs to your all age group. What ma'am is saying like this, no, all the those they are in under your age group, they have to come to know about all these things. There is a adolescence and the related changes. What are the changes which is happening? We have already studied under the hormonal changes in a male and a female, is it or not? So with the safe, it should be a very safe and hygienic. What do you mean by hygienic? Which is a something like a sanitizer, something like a sterile, not sanitizer, where we can say also word, that is a sterile condition, that is a hygienic condition. Sexually practice, so how it has to be done, how it should be, how the process, everything, you the knowledge, the practice. Sexually transmitted diseases. What are the sexually transmitted diseases, students? There is nothing but the AIDS, one of the devil or the evil, where we can say about the AIDS. We are going to study complete process in the upcoming chapters. Syphilis, Then the second one is the syphilis and gonorrhea. This is the 2 mark question, students, and 1 mark is abbreviation they may going to ask you, that is what is a STDs, right, or expand the abbreviation also. And these are the diseases where we can say that is the sexually transmitted diseases. Let's go to the next one, that is a infrastructure facilities. What is this, students? What madam is speaking about the infrastructure in under this chapter, is it or not? So that is a infrastructural facilities and material support. So let's go through what it is. So successful implementation, okay, of various action plans such as a strong infrastructural facilities. Where, students? The infrastructure facilities is nothing but the hospitals or the clinics. Okay, so professional expertise and material support. So these are the materials or the facilities where we required in the hospitals. Okay, so these are essential to provide assistance and care. So essential, these are the essential where we are speaking, students. It is a very essential to provide the assistance and the care in the reproduction related problems. So these are the instruments which is really workout or useful during the time of pregnancy, delivery, STDs, that is a sexually transmitted diseases, abortion. So that is unsafe for the female. During that time abortion can be done, and illegal relationship abortion can be done. Okay, conception, that is a birth control, menstrual problems, that is we have already studied the menstrual cycle. Okay, there will be a menstrual problems also, and infertility. So those couples are inability are not capable to produce the offsprings is called as infertility, and there are specific reasons why the infertility in the case of male also, in case of female also. In upcoming videos we are going to understand. So let me stop in this video. This is a part 3 continuity of the strategies itself only, students. Let me stop. Thank you.